Once again, welcome back to my channel after a so long break, you guys, after I think almost 6 months. I hope you're doing very well and safe in your life and busy with your own work. So here I am finally after so much of time. I have come up with this neutral natural look for you guys, which you can wear in any sort of party. Just change the lip shade, you guys, or change the eyeshadow and you're good to go. I have used couple of new products which I have purchased and I hope you will like this look. So without any further ado, directly jump into the video and do subscribe to my channel if you. Hey guys, so here you can see I'm combing my hair and then securing it with a headband. After that, I'll be using this Pond's Cold Cream. This is my go-to holy grail moisturizer because my skin is very dry and it really do a very good job of hydrating and moisturizing my skin. Then I'm prepping my lips with this Baby Lips, Maybelline New York's Baby Lips. After that, I'll be using this Purple Ka primer and then applying on all over my face, especially on my T-zone area. Then using this Lakme foundation in the shade Caramel Beige and then applying it and blending it with the Real Technique sponge. After that, I'm using this Blue Heaven compact and just setting my under eye with this Mermaid brush. This brush I have purchased recently, so let me use it and then I'll give a review on this. I have done my brows off camera, as you can see. Then I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and from the palette I'll be using this ochre shade, then the brown shade, and then I'll be applying it on all over my crease area for a good transition shade. Then taking this orange shimmery kind of color with the flat brush, mermaid brush, which I have purchased, and depositing the color on the eyelid. Today I have tried to create a very peachy sort of color, and then I'll be taking this color, a champagne moonlight sort of color, and then I am depositing this color on my eyelid. Then again taking that three color, dark brown, light brown, ochre, and that reddish kind of burgundy color, and I am depositing the color on the lower lash line. Then I'm using this Purple Wind Beneath My Wings eyeliner pen in the shade brown. I have reviewed this eyeliner pen on my channel. If you want, I'll provide the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. Then I'm using this bronzer from Sugar and using this fishtail brush to contour, but what I have seen is it's giving me very sharp contour and I doesn't find it helpful contouring my hollows of my face. This is perfect for contouring your nose, but I don't find it handy while contouring my face. So I have contoured my nose. That, like, this brush really do a pretty job in contouring the nose. And then I'm applying blush from the same palette. I have taken that burgundy reddish kind of shade for my blush today, and then I have applied my lashes off camera, and then I'm using this Swiss Beauty Shimmer Brick palette, taking the first brick, actually very nice brick, very nice brick. I highly recommend this because this shimmer brick is so fine. Now I am taking Glam 21's lip liner pencil and I'm lining my lips. Then I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa. This lipstick also I have reviewed on my channel. I'll provide the link in the description box below. And I'm applying the shade. The shade is Mona Lisa. And here guys, this is the final look. Very soft, natural look. You can carry it to any party, any everyday sort of look. And if you want to go a little bit dramatic, change the lip shade and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. Bye.